I'm going to ask you a question. I'm just a bit confused about this because sometimes, I come from China, but now I'm in London. And sometimes people will say, would you like to have a coffee? So, how do I know that whether they are really asking you for a coffee or asking you for a date?
First and foremost, I will answer your question in a very vague and general format so that others can understand the idea.
Okay.
You
Yeah,
are
I'm ready.
from Guangdong province, right?
Yes.
Okay. And you are in London, right?
Yeah, I study here now.
And how old are you?
25?
So you spent the majority of your life in China, and now you are in a completely different country, a completely different culture, and a completely different language with a country that has a completely different history than yours. Do you understand everything I'm saying thus far?
Yes.
With that being said, of course, you are generally already familiar with some cultural differences compared to your own country and culture. That translates and encompasses every aspect of life, including dating. So, in order to prevent yourself from getting hurt, you need to evaluate the situation that you are in. You need to understand the thought process of others, and you need to know both sides of the story so that you don't misinterpret anything and so that they don't misinterpret anything as well. Does that make
Yeah.
sense?
Yes.